In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to compare two photos in Luminar NEO. If you're coming from apps like Lightroom or Photoshop, it's helpful to set expectations first. Luminar NEO doesn't currently include a true side-by-side compare view where two different images sit next to each other in the editor. The catalog and gallery areas are great for browsing and organizing, but they aren't designed for a full-screen split or dual display. That said, there are two practical ways to compare images so you can still make confident choices. The first method uses the film strip or gallery. Open your catalog, or make sure the film strip is visible at the bottom or side of your workspace. Click the first photo you want to evaluate. It will appear in the main viewer. Then click the next candidate in the film strip or gallery to switch to it. Flip back and forth between them to judge composition, exposure, color, and overall feel. To speed this up, take advantage of sorting and filtering. You can sort by edit time or date to keep recent versions close together, and filter by flags to narrow the field to your favorites. As you compare, use favorite or reject flags, or star ratings, to mark the stronger option. This isn't a literal side-by-side view, but it's the fastest built-in way to look at one image and then the next while staying focused on the details that matter. The second method is for evaluating your edits on a single image. Luminar NEO includes a before-after preview so you can compare the original to the edited version of that same file. Click the I button under the preview to toggle between the two states, or use the split preview that places a vertical line through the photo so you can see before on one side and after on the other. This is ideal for checking whether your adjustments improved contrast, color balance, or noise without overdoing it. Remember, this tool does not compare two different files. It only shows the before and after of one image. To wrap up, while Luminar NEO doesn't offer a true dual image compare view, using the film strip or gallery for quick back-and-forth comparisons, along with the before-after preview for single image edits, gives you a clear, efficient way to evaluate your photos and pick your best results. A simple habit is to filter down to just a shortlist, compare those by flipping back and forth, and flag the winner immediately. Keeping that rhythm makes the process fast and repeatable, especially after a big shoot.